This is not just a factory. This is one of the largest steel machines on Earth. What you're seeing right now produces more steel than some countries make in a year. Every glowing line here is liquid metal, hotter than lava. This steel never stops moving, not for 1 second. If one system fails, the entire factory shuts down instantly.
Rerouting the mix now. Temperature is normalizing.
These machines run day and night without rest. From the air, this place looks like a burning city. But inside, it's pure precision and control. Temperatures here can melt cars in seconds. And this is only the beginning. Every piece of steel starts as raw rock pulled from the ground. Massive trains deliver iron ore nonstop. Coal powers the extreme heat needed for melting metal. Limestone helps remove deadly impurities. These materials travel kilometers on steel conveyor belts. Every gram is measured with insane precision. Too much, and the steel is ruined. Too little, and the structure collapses. Everything is calculated before entering the furnace.
Right, but the support structure for the coal is showing stress. We need to prioritize that repair.
Once inside, there's no turning back. This is the blast furnace, the heart of the entire factory. Inside, temperatures exceed 1,500 degrees Celsius. Solid rock transforms into glowing liquid metal. The furnace walls glow from pure heat. When the tap opens, molten iron explodes out. This liquid metal flows like a river of fire. Sparks fly as iron transfers into massive containers. Every second here is dangerous. Multiple furnaces run at the same time. This is controlled chaos at its peak. Molten iron isn't steel yet, it must be refined. Pure oxygen is blasted into the liquid metal. This burns away unwanted elements instantly. Sensors monitor the chemical balance in real time.
Adjusting the temperature flux.
It's normalizing now.
Engineers adjust everything second by second. The steel grows brighter as impurities disappear. Massive ladles rotate to mix the molten metal. Temperatures are checked continuously. One mistake here can destroy tons of steel. Every batch is customized for its final use. Workers wear reflective suits just to survive nearby.
Valve open, we're good.
Overhead cranes move liquid steel like it weighs nothing. The metal is now ready to take shape. This is where raw power meets precision. And now, the steel begins its transformation. Liquid steel is poured into continuous casting machines. Red-hot slabs emerge, glowing like fire. Rollers guide the steel forward at high speed. Enormous machines crush the steel thinner and longer. These rollers apply thousands of tons of pressure. Sparks explode as metal reshapes itself. Thick slabs become long beams and sheets. Everything moves faster than the human eye. Cooling systems prevent the steel from cracking. High-speed cameras detect microscopic defects. Multiple production lines run perfectly synchronized. Steel coils form at the end of the line. Each coil weighs more than a truck. The surface is inspected for absolute perfection. Steam erupts as hot steel meets cold water. Robots stack finished steel automatically. Human hands never touch the hot metal. Every piece is tracked digitally. This line never slows down. Steel is finished, but the factory isn't. These beams will support skyscrapers. These coils will become bridges and machines.
Okay, set it down now.
Trucks load steel for global shipment.
Alignment on this side. Copy that. Steadying the load now.
Cranes lift products weighing hundreds of tons.
A little to the left. Okay, set it down easy.
Entire cities depend on this output. Without steel, modern life collapses. As the sun sets, production continues. This factory never sleeps. What looks like fire is actually progress. This is how the modern world is forged.